came in the mail today, and I need to open it. So I'm trying to find something. Yes, a hair clip. I'm uploading this to YouTube, but the thing is that I've got no storage on my actual phone, so I can't. Not sharp enough. Let's use a pen. Just have a chocolate. Oh, my hamster's awake. Make sure to get out. It's opening because I can't be bothered, even though I've got like 50 pens. I'm gonna go shut the door. This is overwhelming. Hold on. Mind the bedding, I've had it since I was little. It's a Monster High one, okay. After all this time, from now, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Tail is so fluffy. Sorry, I keep getting calls. This is the worst moment. This is the floof. This is the tail. I need a belt for the tail, but it's a floor dragon tail, and then the full tail. There's an Instagram, a TikTok account. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna pause. The suit is here. The paws. Oh, the paws. They got 3 fingers. Oh my god, they're so cute. I love this. This is amazing. They have 3 fingers, so you put like... Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. So, how do I do this now? So, thumb, and then 2 fingers, and 2 fingers. Oh my god. This is amazing. I love this. Oh, it's a balaclava inside, so it's so beautiful. So this is the little bandana that it comes with. And here's the suit. And there's a few rips. So you can see the hot glue, but like, couldn't care less. I'm gonna put the suit on. This is weird. This is extremely weird. Oh, I love this. This is beautiful. I'm just gonna like, no. This is a bit bent and shitty, but this is beautiful. I love this. So these are the paws. I can't see, but struggling. I'm greatly struggling. What? I'm so confused. I don't know which one's which. But I'm just gonna put... This is really hot. Like, the eyes are breathable. The head's a little bit big. But that's probably because it was made for an adult. But this is just gonna fall off. Okay, hi, I'm a furry. see myself in the mirror. Oh my god, I love this. Sorry, 1 minute. There it is a bit. She got one here. I think she only got one here. Oh, this is perfect. I love this. This is amazing. I'm in love with this. Oh my god. Thank you, Pastel Tea Creations. I was gonna have this as a Christmas present, but I bought it early. This is beautiful. This is soft. I love it. Let me just get the tail. And I'm gonna get my belt and I'm gonna put the tail on. So this is the tail. And this is Kiko. Your down dragon. Griffin. That goes around my neck. Like a bandana. Or it can go on the head. Like a hat. So I'm gonna go get the belt so I can put her on fully. And she's a mini partial. Got my belt, guys. I got my belts. I got a lot of belts, but the only belt that I actually use is my Ted Baker one. Because it's got a bow on it and it's beautiful. So, how to suit up in your first suit. So, this is how, if you any non-suiters who don't suit, by the way, these go on the wrists or on the tail. You just thread the belt through the little loopies. I think I'm doing it wrong. Wait, hold on. Just because I've never done this before. So, I have like a little bow on my belt, so it's like really uncomfortable. But, once my suit's actually on, then... Oh, the tail's so long. You don't know how much it drags. I'm so sorry, guys. I got 20% off my phone. My belt's a little bit small for me, so I have to like be really careful because there's only little 3 belt loops, little 3 belt holes. So this is my little stomp tail. I'm just gonna put my hoodie over it.